Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We had a very big thunderstorm this afternoon and I think it's not finished yet. Maybe we will get more rain very soon. So the plants are all happy, but the flowers are very happy, but some are removed. There are some petals on the soil. Oh, I saw one here. I need to tie this one with a straw, like what I did to the others. The purple is now very beautiful, but they are very wet. So it was really a very heavy rain because the napier on that side is flooding. You can see the flood. But the napier are also very happy, the napier grass. I applied some fertilizer this morning on these rows here. The birds are very happy because after a few hours of rain, now it's oh, I saw a chicken there. So as you can see on this area, there's a big flood. Some napiers, they are cut recently and now they are under the water. Look at my slippers. I will go by this side here. Oh, maybe I can find a frog or a crocodile here. So on this side they are dark green now. They appreciate the fertilizers, and then that there they are growing nice. So dark green, the leaves are dark green. It means that they love the fertilizer, and heavy rain, of course, the heavy rain also. So this row where I am walking right now, we cut this recently because this is the new, we planted new rows. We replaced new rows before, as if you can remember in my previous vlog. So now after we cut them, they grow very fast again. So I check because I would like to know if I can cut the next rows for the goats later. And then look at this, very nice. They are beautiful after the rain. This one is from Atibaday, and most of these plants are from Ati, and they are growing beautiful. And this one also here, look at that. We have a lot of guavas. I think I'll get one to eat. I can't find a... Wait I will find one guava. There are plenty, but not so ripe yet. There's one here. It's very wet. I'm eating guava now. The goats are out from their house already. No, there's another one here. Look at that. This one is ripe na. It's soft. So the goats are out from their house. They're fighting inside their park. Oh, I love this other, but the guava because it's more ripe. Arnel is inside the house, but soon he will go out to give dinner for the goats. So there's also water here. And I'm playing in the water. It was really a very big thunderstorm, but it's very good for the plants. As long as there is no wind, the rain is just fine. And normally our place is, except for the side there with the napier, at the end of the napier grass, normally our place is elevated, so there is no problem for the heavy rain. So this one is the Delpha that we marked from the bigger tree there. So it's growing nice. I saw another strawberry on this spot, but it's smaller. But I think it was yesterday I harvested one bigger, and the other day also another one which is bigger. I have more tomatoes and zinnia flowers ready to be transplanted. And then I have more tomatoes there and eggplants. And then all of these are salvia. I think I need to transfer them to the soil, or maybe I'll transfer them to bigger pots. So the okra are very happy with the rain. They are starting to give vegetables even they are short. And then some tomatoes there, and all the eggplants and okra. So actually there's not too much in the garden now, but Arnel planted, we bought seeds also yesterday. Ampalaya seeds we bought yesterday, and also the, I don't know if you can, if you know this, but this is very alugbati that is very common here in the Philippines. I remember the American friend of my best friend, he used to describe the alugbati as spinach. Oh, look at that. All the bananas that we transferred here, they are very happy. You see, their new leaves are very dark green. So it means that they are happy in their new place. And they are away from the goats here. Oh, let's check. Oh, it's getting bigger. The one and only watermelon of Arnel. Look at that. It's getting bigger now. So I hope the pest will not eat. Last time the pest eat one of the hanging fruits here, and I think they are giving more flowers, but so you can really see how heavy the rain, because there's you can see there's a trace for a mark after the erosion. So that's also the problem for the heavy rain, the soil erosion. That's why we gather stones to make a wall beside the bed, the garden bed. So as you can see, we are finished 1 2 3 rows, although they are not completely finished at the end yet. It need to be finished. And also on this side, the strawberries on this side, we also put the stone wall, so at least they can protect the soil erosion, because it's very bad for the plants. They carry the nutrients of the topsoil, you know. Oh, I am very, oh, by the way, my spring onion is still alive. And the other pot there, and then new bougainvilleas, and another gomamel hibiscus that is about to bloom, to give flowers. And then, so this is the sponge gourd that oh my god, it's so big now. Look at that. So finally, it's really a sponge gourd. It's very big now, because I really thought that it's a cucumber. So in fact, I really make a mistake in the pack, or I don't know. So it's really a sponge gourd, and this is very delicious also. But I can't imagine, I don't know, it's very big. You see, it's not long, but it's very big. and I think that's the only one, except for all the flowers that coming. Oh, so that's the roof made by Arnold so that they can climb up to there, because normally they, oh, I saw, yes, I saw more female flower. So when they bloom, we just put them male, so that they will be mated with the male flower. Ooh, very wet hibiscus flowers. So the multicab is patiently waiting for Christian. So I don't know, maybe we will not get more rain, because on this side it's already clear, but here a little bit gray. So I think that's all for this afternoon. It's all about the farm after the big thunderstorm. We need to feed the goats now, because it's already 5 in the afternoon. Thank you everyone for always watching our small channel, our simple life here in the farm. I hope you are all doing well. I heard an airplane, but it's very high. So yeah, thank you and have a nice day.